Hi, in this video we will discuss about Mangalore University 4th Sem BCA Computer Graphics and Animation Lab Part C programs. Program 5. Write a program to draw an ellipse using midpoint algorithm. In midpoint else algorithm, we are going to use two functions. One is a midpoint ellipse, the other one is ellipse points, to plot the points in all the four quadrants. So we will initialize our graphics, the variables we will declare, and we get only four inputs, that is the center point xc comma yc and the values of x radius and the y radius. By keeping these four inputs, we will call the mid ellipse function. In mid ellipse function, we are going to divide the ellipse into four equal quadrants. In four equal quadrants, we are going to calculate only this particular quadrant and we are going to plot the points on the other four quadrants. And this quadrant is once again divided into region 1 and region 2. In region 1, we are going to use one while loop, and here we are just going to start with 0 comma ry, that is x naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to ry, and we calculate the decision parameter using this particular formula. So at this particular point, we say 2 ry square x is equal to 2 rx square y. So till the value is less than, we are going to check whether the p is less than 0. If p is less than 0, we are going to say p is equal to p plus 2 ry square x plus 2 ry square plus ry square. Else we just decrement the y value and we will calculate the new value, and we increment x plus plus, which is common for both if and else, and we will call the ellipse points. This is for region 1. In region 1, as you remember, we were using the same circle algorithm that you can just modify for region 1. The same coding can be repeated for region 2, the next set of y. So in region 2, what changes you have to do? We have to calculate the decision parameter by using this x and y value where we stop. Then we are going to change this condition, that is till y greater than 0, and here interchange x by y and negative sign by positive and positive sign by negative, less than by greater than. So here we are going to have greater than symbol. P less than 0 is replaced by p greater than 0. P is equal to p plus. So here I am going to replace negative by positive and positive by negative in the previous while loop. And y is replaced by x. There we have y minus minus, that is replaced by x plus plus. X plus plus x should be replaced by y plus by minus. We got y minus minus. We call the ellipse points. This ellipse points method consists of only four lines, that is we have to plot the points in all the four quadrants by changing the size. So in the first quadrant both the values are positive, second quadrant x is positive, y is negative, next both the values of x is negative, y is positive, both the values are negative. So you can plot the points on the all the four quadrants. So if this is the input, that is I am giving rx is greater than ry, I will be getting an ellipse along the x-axis. If ry is greater than rx, we get an ellipse along the y-axis. So for all the inputs, we will be getting a beautiful ellipse drawn like this. Please refer the theory before writing this particular code. Wish you a happy coding.